guys, welcome to a new video. Tina here, and today I'm going to be doing a challenge video. Now I got this challenge from a video I just saw that was 1 minute long called Nyan Max featuring Max Amination. Link in the description below. Anyway, I got the idea to take a photo of a YouTuber's face. In this one it's going to be mine. You nominate other people to put their face on Nyan Cat. So hopefully this goes well. Taking the photo in a 3, a 2, a 1. Well, that's a great photo. So now, without further ado, the hopefully first ever showing of the Nyan Cat Challenge. Guys, that was all. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button so you can see more of my face. And I nominate for this challenge. Who do I nominate? Oh, I haven't thought of this one. The Odd Ones Out and Captain Sparkles. And Sky Does Minecraft, you too. Anyway, there's one more thing I want to say about Nyan Cat. Everyone thinks he's saying meow, 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 meow. I'm pretty sure he's saying nyan. Maybe that's why it's called... I pronounce Nyan Cat. Maybe that's why he's saying it, because, like... I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's all. Bye.